Okay everyone, welcome to a quick tutorial on how you can cover or convert your kits made for Blender 2.79 to versions compatible with Blender 2.93 and above. Okay, so I am using Blender 4.5.3 and this kit was made for Blender 2.79. So there are basically just two sets of things I need to do. First off, we can start off by reordering this to top. Okay. Flip to top. All right, so that's going to put our workspaces at the top. Then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to delete these workspaces because these workspaces are affiliated with Blender 2.79 and below. So I'm just going to delete them. And then I'm going to add from general, I'm going to click on layout and I'm going to delete this one. All right, so visually, if I press 1, our kit looks like a 2.93 plus compatible kit. But what I want to also do now, the second thing which is unique to Second Life kits is if you are using Avastar, make sure you select your armature. Then you're going to press N to bring up the side panel. You scroll to wherever you have Avastar installed. Then you're going to expand the menu. Then you're going to click on Rig Display. All right, so where this feature is depends on the version of Avastar you have. So I'm using what's the latest version of Avastar right now, the one that was released in July of 2025. Okay, so if you are not using that version, you're going to probably see in rig config or rig inspector rather, you're going to see a feature called updates rig or migrates rig. All right, so that's what you're going to click. But if you're using the newer version of Avastar, all you need to do is you're going to select the armature either in pose mode or object mode. All right, then you're going to click on this refresh button. Good. So what that does is it updates your armature so that your exports don't have any issues. Okay, then test to see that the body rotates properly. If it doesn't, all you need to do is select the body, then come to modifiers and make sure that the armature modifier is enabled for the body, and you're done. So that's how to just go about converting kits made with 2.79 and below for Second Life specifically to Blender 2.83 plus compatible versions. Okay, so you can also add other workspaces that you can use. So I can add like a sculpting. All right, then I can also add, I know I'll be using the shading as well as the UV editing. You don't need to add every single workspace, no. You just, most of the time, you just need this one. And then if you're making the item natively in Blender, you'll need this one, and this one as well. Then if you also want to change the order of these, you can just right click, reorder to front, or reorder to back if you want to push it back. Currently, there isn't a way to drag these, okay? So it just needs to be calculated with your reordering. All right, so thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have found it helpful, be sure to leave a like. Also, leave any questions that you might have in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.